Okay, in today's video, I'm going to go over a few things on working with fonts. The first one I get asked a lot is how do you make your fonts curve in a circle or an arch like this? It's actually quite simple. So we'll go ahead and put a font on the screen here. There you go. If you want to fill it in here, you can work with it a little better. You can just select your palette here and then simply choose a color. The first thing you want to do is go to your ellipse tool here. There's several different shapes. For this one, we're going to use an oval and a circle. By default, it'll start off as an oval. If you hold down the Shift key as you select it, it's going to maintain a perfect circle. If you select your font, click on it one time, you'll get this box. If you click on it twice, you're going to get this little cursor here. Simply follow that to your path, and it's going to start making the shape on it. Same thing here on this circle. Depending on the design you want, you'll have to either increase or decrease the size of your circle. So we'll go ahead and make this one bigger. Until you get the desired effect that you're looking for. So we'll go ahead and go with that one. We'll move this one out of the way. Now, right now, the font is stuck to this path. If I click on it, it's going to move everything together. If I want to release this, let's say I want it to just have this arch here. I'm going to select the font, right click, and then I'm going to hit ungroup. What that's going to do is it's going to detach it from your object. Now you want to be careful when you move these because you can move each letter individually. So I put some shortcuts here on the side. On a PC, if you hit Control Z, it's going to do undo, and on a Mac, I believe it'll be Command Z. So if I highlight these back again, right click, and I can group them. Now they'll maintain themselves together again. So if you like this tutorial, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be doing other tutorials with Silhouette Studio. We're currently using a business edition right now. It looks a little bit different than yours. So make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.